Hi, and welcome to a tutorial from Imagine Landscapes. Today we're going to be talking about knitting through the back loop. All there is to knitting through the back loop is, instead of going from, as we normally would, sort of touching the needle and scooping forward until our tips point, that's knitting through the front of the loop. Here we're going through the back so that our right needle is behind our left needle, yarn over, and coming this way. So front loop, touch the needle, go towards the tip. Back loop or twisted stitch, you're going to come through the loop. You're going to have your needle pointing away from this other tip, so they're creating a V, just like your stitches will create a V. Yarn over and come back through. And that's all there is to knitting through the back loop or making a twisted stitch.